Hi everybody, it's Brandy. Not only do your children have benefits of being part of the Infinite Unity Gifted community, parents who are part of IUGC also have some tremendous benefits, and that's what I want to share with you today. As a parent of a scholar, you are going to be gathered together with like-minded parents who've been on this journey before. Some are farther along in the process than you, some not so far along in the process, and we're all coming together just to be a safe spot where we can help one another and share resources, stories, experiences, wisdom to get us the kind of transformation that we're looking for. More confidence as a parent, and to walk alongside these kids to help them to reach their infinite potential. And what better way to do it than in community? Second, you will also receive a premium training opportunity. I'm looking for 30 kids and their parents. 30. And with those 30, these become the founding members of our community, and I am providing a premium training that rolls out in January called A+ Parenting. This is based on my dissertation research, and it all goes around the idea of being a servant leader to your children, coming alongside them as an ally. What does that look, sound, and feel like? How do you do it to build that relationship with your child? Being adaptable to sometimes those big feels that they have, the temper tantrums that they're having, their learning needs, where they're at in the season of their life, where you are in the season of your life. How do you adapt to all of those changes, differentiate, and help them get from point A to point B? Next, how to build that architecture within your family and also advocating for it in the classroom so your child has exactly what they need in order to be the best version of themselves possible. And next, aggregating the best human, print, and digital resources to make that learning and transformation occur. And then finally, giving your child the agency in order to do that on their own. You want to make sure that they're not living in your basement 10, 15, 20 years from now, but they have the agency to make their own choices, and then they go out into the world and they fly, knowing that they get to come back to you and you get to be that soft space because you've taken the time to build that architecture and create that relationship with them so they know that you're the soft space where they can land. I will be coaching each one of my founding members monthly. So we're going to come together, we're going to have a coaching plan just for you as the parent, and we're going to find out where you are today and where you see yourself 1 year from now, and then we're going to make some incremental changes every month to make sure that you get closer and closer to that transformation. We're going to be doing some monthly coffee chats, so you're not on this journey alone. We'll bring you together with other parents, other families, other people that you've met inside of the community, so we could just sit back, talk, have coffee or tea together, get to know one another, and wrap our arms around each other as we continue forward on this journey. And that's where the friendship and the fun come in. So not only is it friendship and fun for your children, but it's friendship and fun for the whole community. So this is the founding members are on an annual plan. So for the next year, it'll be an annual plan. The cost is $75 per student per month, which works out to $900 per year for one scholar and $1,800 per year for two scholars. So once you are part of the community, as a parent, you get all of these benefits. Your child will also get regular cookie chats with me, 8 over the course of a month. So I get to know your child and I get to know you, putting it all together to make sure that they're meeting their intellectual peers, they're learning and growing as servants and servant leaders, and you're also doing the same as a parent to help really be that safety net for them and to be that foundation for them as they are growing and on a journey toward their own infinite potential. I hope that you'll join me. You can find out more at www.giftedresources.com, or go ahead at the bottom of this video inside of YouTube and you will see a link to join our community today. I hope to see you there. Bye for now.